The Gold-Tec mini dehumidifier is designed to work in small confined spaces that suffer from small damp problems, for example in cupboards, small corners or on window sills. It's an electrical peltier type dehumidifier which has certain advantages over the larger, more expensive compressor type dehumidifiers. Firstly, it's quieter and so can be used in bedrooms. Secondly, it's small, light and portable, so you can use in small tight areas. Thirdly, it's economical, rated at only 24 watts, about the same as a small light bulb uses in electricity. Like all mini peltier dehumidifiers like this one, it has a maximum extraction rate of 250 millilitres of water per day, but the actual moisture extraction rate depends on climatic temperature and humidity levels. The machines are inexpensive, so if one is not enough, you can always buy two and place one unit either side of the problem area. The dehumidifier has a well-written manual, including a troubleshooting guide for things you may have failed to do. Check for instance the cables and water tank are fully inserted, and check the operational advice. You need to run the machine and wait for at least 3 hours before droplets appear in the tank. This is to allow water to accumulate on the heatsink in sufficient quantity. Don't be put off by the mini size of the machine. They are, given time, highly effective in small areas. If drying out a cupboard or small room, you will need to patiently run the machine continuously for up to a week before noticing an improvement in air quality. When the machine is running, it emits an attractive purple glow. There is a removable 500 milliliter water tank at the back. When the tank is full, the machine automatically shuts down and emits an amber glow to let you know to empty the tank. The Gold-Tec mini dehumidifier.